In what you say or do, I'm only just beginning to see the real you. And sometimes when we die, the honesty too much, and I had to close my